This video is for GT Pluses, which come with the hard bag kits installed. There'll be no hardware included with the kit because everything you need is already on the bike. Once installed, it's going to look very similar to this. Directly behind your passenger foot pegs, you'll notice two black bolts. We're going to be removing these bolts, but keep them handy because we will be reusing them. You're going to need a 12mm wrench or socket. Make sure you're holding onto this bracket when you take out either of the bolts because it's going to want to move straight down. Then what you're going to do is you're going to match up the holes. Take one of the bolts and put it through the hole. Just makes it easier to get it into position. Start threading it in. And then start doing your other one. And tighten up the bolts. And then with your 12mm wrench, go ahead and snug them up. We're going to start our installation on the clutch side of the bike. When the helmet lock is installed, it's going to be in this location. Let's go ahead and start by getting out a 12mm wrench or socket and removing a couple bolts. Directly behind the passenger foot peg, you'll see two bolts. We're going to be removing these bolts so that we can attach our helmet lock bracket. Now when you remove either of the bolts, you're going to want to hold on to this bracket, otherwise it'll rotate straight down. Once you remove that bracket, what we're going to do is we're going to match up the holes and we're going to put a bolt, one of the bolts through so that we can get it into the same hole a lot easier. And then go ahead and put through the other bolt. And tighten it up. Once installed, that's what it's going to look like. To operate the helmet lock, put your key in, turn it, and that'll open up the lock. You can then take the D-rings from your helmet, put it over it, and then when you turn the key, it locks it.